Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with quick prerequisites you must do immediately. Make sure Windows Update has no stuck installs and reboot if needed. Once done, sign out and back in, or open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to restore UI responsiveness. While you're there, run System File Checker, SFC/Scanno, to repair corrupt system files, and DISM to restore component store health. These address the most common underlying causes and prepare the system for deeper fixes. Next, re-register the Start menu app with PowerShell to repair package registration. Run the Add Apps package and re-register command for all users, as this fixes broken app manifests. If the Start menu still fails, create a new local user to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. If the new account works, migrate data and reset the corrupted profile. Also, inspect Event Viewer for shell or Explorer errors to pinpoint failing components and note error codes for targeted fixes. To finish, try resetting Windows apps via settings or perform an in-place upgrade repair using a Windows 10 ISO to preserve apps and settings while repairing system files. This is the least disruptive major repair. Backup important documents before any repair that touches system state. If issues persist, boot into safe mode or do a clean boot to isolate third-party interference, and then reinstall or remove the offending software. This troubleshooting step quickly reveals whether services or apps are causing the Start menu failure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.